Hi, today I want to talk to you about licenses and ensuring you do not make any mistakes without checking the detail first. Unfortunately, you will find that licenses can be complicated and ambiguous. All you want is to ensure the design is original, royalty-free, and the terms and conditions do not restrict you in your business. At the Ministry, we guarantee that, and that no other organisation at the time of creating this video can equal what we offer. Every design on our platform comes with a free, non-exclusive license that covers you worldwide for personal and commercial use. You will also only ever need one license, which lasts forever, so you will never need to worry about renewing it. One crucial point is that there will be no restrictions on the product you want to use it for, and you'll be able to produce as many items as you like. It's your business, you make the decisions. To back this up, when you buy a design from us, you will receive a certificate of originality confirming you have purchased an original design that has been created and curated by the in-house team at the Ministry, ensuring peace of mind no matter how you choose to use the design. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. hello@theministryofpattern.com. Also, if you sign up now, you will receive 50% of your first purchase. www.theministryofpattern.com.